na about like 1:30 na ata ng madaling araw. So, i-continue natin ating vlog for today. And alam niyo na, mamayang madaling araw. Ay, mamayang umaga. So, update ko lang kayo guys sa kay Caleb. And finally, nakatulog na siya. So, dito ko siya pinatulog sa sala. So, dito na rin ako matutulog. Kahit ilang oras lang. So, ayan. So, thank gosh na naging okay na yung kanyang Nilagyan ko kasi siya ng nag-start kasi yan kanina ay kagabi. Sabi niya masakit daw yung tiyan niya. So, kami naman, baka sabi namin may nakain lang siyang, may nakain talaga siyang something or baka nagkaroon siya ng stomach bug. Parang ganun. Kasi talagang suka siya ng suka eh. And so nilagyan ko ng, buti na lang guys, meron ako nitong Acetideman Sanilla. So pinahiran ko siya kanina bago siya matulog. Pinahiran ko siya. And then kalauna nagulat na lang yung asawa ko. By the way, yung asawa ko natutulog na kasi may trabaho pa siya. Mamayang maaga. Never ako nag-vlog ng ganitong madaling araw, no? Ngayon lang. But anyway, so, yung sipong ko natulog. Sabi niya ganun, parang merong, parang, alam niyo, yung pag yung nasuka, yung ganun na, hindi na nahintay na pumunta ka sa CR, diba? So, yun, nagulat kami talagang, dali kami tayo. Ay, Diyos ko po. Hindi ko na ikukwento ang detalya, no? Kasi talagang, pero samahan nyo na lang ako na maglinis ng kwarto nila bukas. So, I have to vacuum, I have to clean the room, labahan ng mga bedsheet nila, ma-shampoo yung carpet, as in sobrang madami akong gagawin mamaya, kasi madaling araw na, no? Mamaya umaga. So, ito, pakita ko sa inyo si Caleb. So, pinalitan ko na din yung plastic na kung saan siya nagsuka. So, yan ang baby boy ko. Wawa naman. Ay, naku, kung naano nyo lang talaga, hindi ko na lang siya binideo kasi nga nakakaawa siya eh. Talagang yung suka niya halos talagang, naku, ang hirap, ang sakit sa So, ngayon naman guys, i-check naman natin yung si ate girl na nilalagnat. Tignan natin kung mainit ba siya or what. And then, pag okay siya, then hindi ko siya gigisingin para uminom ng gamot. So, let's go. So, ayan yung mga lalabahan ko. Plus yung mga damit pa na lalabahan ko. Diba? So, ayan yung buong basket na yan guys. Napuno yan ng mga bedsheet, blanket na nagsama-sama. Ayan. So, tingnan natin sa ate girl. So, basta hindi ko na ibibigay ng detalye sa inyo. Tingnan natin sa ate girl. Saan yung baby girl ko? Okay naman siya. Wala pa siyang wala siyang lagnat. Hindi na siya mainit. Thank goodness. Thank you, Lord. So, yung dalawa, yung tulog pa sila. May tulog. Ayan. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Dahil hindi mainit si Natalia. So, yeah. Alam nyo, habang nakikita ko si Caleb na sumusuka siya, parang ang feeling ko parang ako na yung susunod no? Kaya ayan. So ayan, update ko na lang kayo guys mamaya ulit. And hopefully talaga na hindi na siya magsuka ulit. So alam nyo, ito yung first time na nangyari na dito ako natulog sa sala. As in, ito yung first time. And hopefully si Natalia hindi siya gumising at lumipat sa bed namin Kasi ganun ang ginagawa niya ngayon, especially na may lagnat siya. So, hopefully, mag-stay siya sa bed. And hindi ko rin alam kung matutuloy kami sa birthday party tomorrow kasi depende sa ano ni Caleb. Pero kasi parang nakakaano naman na si Caleb lang yung masama yung pakiramdam. Kasi si Chad, meron din siyang birthday party. Same day, same time, same place. So, akala ko maano siya. So, parehas yung araw ng birthday na pupuntahan namin. And sobrang naano talaga ako kasi nga parehas yung, pero iba yung ano, magkaiba yung table. Ay, hindi ko alam kung magkaiba yung table. Hopefully, hindi magkaiba yung table para, alam mo yun, nasa isang area lang kami. Hindi kami pabalik-balik. Especially ako dahil si Caleb, tapos si Chad, diba? But, are you okay? Are you okay? Huh? Psst. What happened?
I just got dizzy.
You just got dizzy? Okay, go. Ay! You okay? Let's get it out. You okay?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. Go back to sleep. Naku, hindi tayo talaga makakatulog nito.
It's kind of like we're camping, except we're on the couch.
Yeah. Dahil, ano, bigla-bigla ka na lang susuka. Naku, hindi ako makakatulog nito. Nakaidlip-idlip lang tayo. Naku, besh. Good morning, guys. Ayan, update kay Kuya Caleb.
I feel a lot better.
You feel a lot better?
Yes, I do.
Ha? Ito din. Ito din si ate girl. Medyo feel a lot better na siya today. But, ano, bibigyan pa natin siya ng another dose of, ano, pang fever. Para talagang tuloy-tuloy na yung kanyang, ano.
The cereal will help me.
The cereal will help you? Okay. So, ito yung ating situation ng bed. So, mostly talaga doon nagsuka si Caleb. But, we have a limited time dahil si Kuya Chad gusto niyang pumunta sa birthday party. And si Caleb, sabi ng aking mother-in-law, bukas, wag na siyang pumunta sa birthday party kasi nga, baka mamaya is, bumalik yung kanyang pagsusuka and mas mahihirapan ako kasi, imbes na hindi ko iuwi si Chad, so ma-end up na uuwi siya ng maaga kapag kasama namin si Caleb. Kasi nga, syempre, kailangan ko iuwi. Diba? Ayun, naintindihan niyo ba? Hindi ko naintindihan eh. But, yeah. So, we have a limited time.
Alright. Oh, wow. Hey, I'm looking for a couch to crash on. Until night shouldn't be the night I go home with anyone. I've been out walking on the rough patch now, but I must say living on the edge of things has been kind of fun. Look, there's a bruise right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on a show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. I'm not usually the one who acts out. All those crazy little things we all kinda dream about. A good thing we are running out of sunlight. It's not necessary for these guys to know all about. Look, there's a bruise right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. Did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on a show. I'm dancing.
So, ayan guys, kahit papano meron tayong progress. So, ito yung ating trash na itatapon na ano. And sobrang gusto kong parang like I just wanted to throw everything. Alam niyo yun? Pero syempre naiinis lang ako kasi they're not playing their toys anymore. But yeah. Ayun yung batang lumabas na naman, no? Ngayon na dyan sa tok-tok. But, so kailangan na natin mag-ready kasi 12:30 na. What? So, yeah. So, kailangan na mag-ready. Dahil ang party starts at 2. And kailangan pa natin pumunta sa Walmart para bumili ng birthday card kasi nakalimutan kong bumili ng birthday card. Kaya, yeah. Kailangan natin mag-ano. So, ito naglalaban na rin ako. Ayan. Ha? That was fast?
Yeah.
Nadalian ka, no? No? You're gonna go to Momo's. I told you that. So, tatlo sila ngayon. Imbes sa dalawa lang yung pupunta sa lola nila. Ngayon, tatlo na sila. So, yeah. Mag-ready na tayo. Let's go. So, everybody is ready. Go ahead and turn off the light in the kitchen, please. Really? Ayan. Ready na tayo. Let's go. Ayan. Sobrang umulan ng todo-todo kagahapon kaya muddy ang ating sasakyan. On the road, Caleb. Momo said on the road. Alright, I'll follow you guys, okay? So guys, halisa tayo. Na-deliver na natin si Troy, Caleb, and Natalia. So, let's go kasi we had to go stop sa
At Elijah's birthday party.
sa Walmart kasi we need to get a birthday card, sir. You don't have a birthday card.
Oh.
So, we have to go get a birthday card.
Is that it?
Yes, that's it. That's all we're getting. Well, I'm getting me some drink. So.
Really?
Sitting on the tables and I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. I'm dancing on the tables and I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I.
We're here sa Walmart. Oh.
I smell.
You smell what? Let's go get some card. Do you want to give him a card or do you want to give him a present? Alright, nagtingin tayong birthday card. What is that?
Not really the one.
It's a Minecraft birthday card.
No, it's a video game.
Or video game, whatever. Why you don't want these? It says right there, oh. Or here, it's your birthday.
Birthday Nintendo?
Nintendo. Which one are you looking for? Travel through time. I think I like this one, Nintendo.
Nintendo Mario Kart?
Yeah.
Well,
Ang arte mo naman, sir. What?
this one says time.
Yes, I know. You don't mess with that one. So, which one are you looking for?
Great.
So, let's look for her naman kasi yung
Oh, Jalen's birthday?
no. Kasi yung friend, yung classmate ni Caleb is today is her birthday party also na dapat is that pupuntahan ni Caleb. Bradley.
Oh.
She's supposed to have a birthday
Bradley
party.
Lewis?
No, Bradley Wimmer.
Oh, Bradley Lewis.
We need to find some birthday thing for her. So ito yung napili natin, guys. Ayan. You okay with that?
Yeah, and
What's that?
I would love this.
No, he's not into dinosaur anymore. Okay, let's go.
It's because to check and see if we have
Well, we didn't pumasok kami sa Walmart. Nag-buzz yung like na parang you steal something. And then lumabas kami, same thing. Oh, di ba? Alright, we're gonna go and you want yours? Which
Yes.
one did you get?
Mountain Dive.
Mountain daw. Okay. So, nagkumuha kami ng drinks. Here, put my drinks in there.
Okay.
Nang gumawa ko nitong Alani drinks na to. Let's see if it's ano. This is good. Alright, let's go. Alam nyo ba kung bakit sobrang busy ng Walmart ngayon? Dahil today is a Super Bowl. Kaya
Super Bowl, actually.
Super Bowl.
Super Bowl 58.
58. Kaya
58.
sobrang busy ng Walmart ngayon.
I thought it was 51.
No, 58. So, we're gonna watch because alam niyo ba kung sinong manunood ng ay mag-ano ng halftime? Si Usher. So we're gonna be watching ano. So we're gonna watch Super Bowl and then we're gonna have some pizza tonight. So don't eat too much pizza over there at the party, huh?
Pizza, pizza, pizza. Pizza, pizza, pizza.
So
Pizza.
yun ang ating ano agenda. So we're gonna have pizza. Ano lang, hindi tayo mag-order kasi sobrang magiging busy ang mga ano ngayon, mga nag-order ng pizza dahil nga Super Bowl, walang magluluto, ganun. Kaya magiging busy. But anyways, let's go. And yeah, let's go.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. You love, you love, you love. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. You love, you love, you love. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Oh, show me what you can do. My hands feel on your body, paper tense
nag-skate siya. Sige. Ala, natumba na. Use, go in the middle. Yabang-yabang sabi niya, oh. Hindi daw siya, ano. Oh, sige. Sige, oh, sige. Pag ikaw, nako, yung... So, guys, tapos na kami. So, hindi na ako masyadong nag-vlog kasi maraming kids. So, hindi na ako masyadong nag-vlog. So, we're on our way home dahil I still have to clean. Oops. Sorry, whoever you are backing up. So I still have to clean and do a bunch of
Other things.
laundry.
You have to do a bunch of other things.
Yeah, I still have a bunch of things to do. So kailangan na nating umuwi. So, yeah. So, how was the party? Did you like it?
Yeah.
Cool.
And
You didn't even eat cake. Yeah, hindi siya kumain ng cake. He was so busy playing and
yeah, I didn't want to.
you didn't want any cake.
No.
Vivian didn't have any either.
Well, that's great for her.
Really?
Because some people don't like cake.
I know, but some do.
Mhm.
So, ayan, pauwi na tayo, guys. And, ay, kabagal naman neto. Dapat dumaan na ako. But, yeah. So, uwi na tayo and, yeah. Meron pa akong gagawin. So, see you guys at home. So guys, gusto ni Chan mag-stop dito sa Dunkin' Donut. Oh my goodness. So guys, ayan na, malinis na siya, pero as in nakikita nyo naman yan, yung part na yan na dyan nagsuka si Caleb. Tapos, part right there, and meron pa doon, ayan. But, ito, basura. And ito yung mga i-donate natin na ano, ayan. So, ayan. So, hanggang ngayon, sa ngayon, ganyan muna siya. And I have to wash clothes ba tomorrow. So, yeah, I'm so tired na. So, right now, nag-fix na ako ng aming dinner. So, pagod na talaga ako today. I promise you guys, I'm so pagod na talaga. As in, nagugutom na rin ako, pero kumain naman ako sa, sa birthday party. Kumain naman ako, pero hindi masyado. Kasi nga, alam ko na magpipizza kami itong dinner na to. So, hindi ako talaga kumain masyado. But, yeah. So, mag-i-start na yung Super Bowl. And, pauwi ni asawa ko. So, kailangan natin ng pizza para pagdating niya, ready na yung pizza namin at kakain na lang kami at manood ng football. So, sobrang daming, anong araw na to. So, continue yung ating paglilinis sa kwarto ng mga bata bukas. Kakarpet, shampooer ko ang kanilang carpet bukas. So, and how are you feeling?
A little bit better.
A little better, but you don't look like you're okay. Let me see. Are you sleepy? Are you tired?
Yes.
I think you are tired because you barely got to sleep last night, huh? Yeah. Okay. Well, start cleaning this up. Sissy! Your mess. Huh? No, you're not gonna sleep here. You're gonna sleep in your bed again. Or maybe you can sleep in Kuya's bed until I clean the, put all the bed sheets and stuff there. So, alright. So, nakapause yung ating Super Bowl dahil hinihintay ang aking asawa. So, guys, si Caleb is naka-soup siya ngayon.
Chicken noodle soup.
chicken noodle soup, and then itong ginger ale na ginger. Hindi ko alam kung ano niya,
It
pero
only has 80 calories.
so, yan. For Caleb yan.
Kaya na guys, mag-start na ang Super Bowl. Charity of choice, courtesy of the NFL Foundation and Nationwide.
So, ito na ang ating pizza and hot wings. And then, meron tayong drink.
Now make sure you hang your clothes up on your little hangers, okay?
I don't even know where all the little hangers are.
Say, Mommy, I'll find them. Don't worry.
Ang pina-open ni Natalia yung kanyang mga Barbie dress. And then, yun yung drink ni Budweiser. Is that Budweiser?
Yeah.
Okay. Ayan. While watching football. So guys, natapos na ang concert ni Usher. Tulog na yung mga bata. Nag-concert si Usher. Halftime lang ng kanyang Super Bowl. And parang baliw tong asawa ko. Binibideo niya ako habang ako'y sumasayaw. Parang tango. I-upload ko ba? Para makita nyo. Wag na. Hanggang pamahay lang ang sayaw natin. But anyways guys, i-end ko na ang vlog. Ikikip ko si Caleb tomorrow. Hindi namin siya papapasukin sa school kasi to make sure na okay na talaga yung stomach niya. Kasi baka mamaya habang sumakay siya sa bus is biglang masuka siya or something. So, anhin na lang natin na magstay siya tomorrow dito sa bahay para ma-make sure na talagang okay na siya. Kaya, so yun. Nandoon siya ngayon sa bed ni Chad natutulog. Magkatabi pa rin sila pero nasa edge si Caleb kasi just in case na magsuka siya ulit, ganyan. Nandoon na siya sa at hindi na siya dun sa taas ng kanyang bed. But, so yeah, until now, hindi pa tapos yung Super Bowl. But, yeah, tatapusin lang namin ang Super Bowl and then matutulog na kami. So, yeah. So, ayan guys, i-end ko na ang vlog. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Kung kayo'y napagod sa araw ko today, mas napagod ako. But, yeah. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you again tomorrow. Good night. Mag-start na tayo mag-daily vlog. Kaya nyo yun? Try natin mag-daily vlog. Good night.